This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 35 of Building Optimus Prime. In this issue we're continuing, look, more of this. We've got more chest area to build. General Moreshower, again, character that I'm not aware of. I'm sure he's in the films, but I don't remember him. Optimus's ancestors, yeah, the other primes probably. I don't know, he's not a race of primes. He became prime. Prime's like a stateless rather than a hereditary role, isn't it? So there we go. Galvatron, that's a word I'm familiar with. Autobots Series 6, again, small little ones that don't do anything for me. As far as I'm aware, they're the little ones. They certainly look it. Feel free to read all about those if you like. While I get on with the building, we've got lots of bits to do, a couple of screws to use, and some electronics to fit. So yeah, we're putting the headlights in and getting that all connected up. Well, not connected up yet, but getting other bits. We're using some bits that we haven't used for a little while. They're putting in the old parts from last time. So yeah, we're getting there. So let's see how it goes. Right, first time we're going to use a UP screw, which is not that one. It's one of these. Let's get one of those out. There you go. And that is going to hold the headlights in place onto the bracket. So yeah, here we go. Headlight bulbs already fitted in there with lenses and stuff on them. That is fitting onto there. Just like that. And that screw will go through the bottom there. Hold that in place, but allow us to a little bit of rotation, I think. So it gives us a little bit of more articulation, because he needed more articulation. There's not anything that will articulate in him. So there we have those there. And then that, what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to jump ahead and use the other screw. And then I can put the screwdriver out of the way and not worry about it for the rest of this issue. There's only one more screw to put in. And it is another sort of a self-contained part. Basically, these two bits have got to go together. That or like that. Don't go that way round, so it's going to be that way round. We'll do that now. And as I say, I don't have to worry about that in a minute. Good, right, let's move that out of the way then. Worry about that next time. So, first of all, we got to fit this to this. So this goes on there, 2 pins, 2 holes, nice and easy. Goes on there like so. There you go. Now this wire needs to go through underneath here and come up through here. It says use tweezers, which I think is a damn good idea, because otherwise I'm not going to be able to reach it. So somehow we've got to get that through under there, which is quite nicely disguised and hidden. But somehow I've got to grab it in here. Be around there somewhere. I think I've got to do this bit because I'm going to be putting other bits on the outside there, so I need to get this done. Otherwise I won't be able to find it later. No idea, it's there somewhere, but I shall cut the video. I shall twiddle around, find it and pull it out, and then continue on from there. Right, after much faffing and inability to get it to come out of the hole, I was aiming for the wrong hole. It didn't need to come out here. I had got it come out here accidentally, easily, almost the first time, and thought, oh no, it's not right, but it is right. It needs to come out of there. I should look at the pictures more carefully. So that wire now routes round through and just comes out the front here. Obviously, the same the other side's going to happen at some point, but that's that. Next, I need to attach this little bracket. Way around, yep. It needs to go between those two. So you can't just put it between those two. You need to get, it says to remove them both, but I think I'll probably get away with just removing the one. Hopefully. Let's have a look and see. If I can get this bit off of here. There we go. And that's going to go on there like that. Go on the other one like that as well. There we go. And then I should just be able to slot that back in to the right place. Why get it all apart when you can just get half of it apart, basically? That's that. Get that lined up again. In there. I might have got that the wrong way around. No, it's the only option you've got, is that way around. No, I'm going to have another closer look at the instructions and see if I can figure out if I've got that the right way around or not. So I shall be back momentarily. Yes, I'm happy that that is in fact that way round. I found a lot of these, it's easier to look at the next couple of pictures onwards and see if you can see it in the background rather than trying to make it out from the picture. So yeah, that is that way round. A couple more bits to put on. We've got another shield piece which just pops onto that post. Should just pop onto that post. Like that-ish. Right. All of these post things are a little bit tight, which is obviously good because you don't want them flopping around. There we go. So that's on there. So you can maneuver it, a little bit of articulation there, but it also stays where it should be until you do. So that's that. Then we need to bring in from ages ago one of these little frame pieces. That bit that we already screwed together will go on there like that. Make sure I've got that. Yes, that is hinged on the inside like that. And then that is going on the post from there, is going deep into the bowels in there onto that blob that we've got left over there. In. Tight. But on. There we go. That isn't attached to anything as yet. But that is that. Another issue complete. Getting some nice detail work done on that side. I know we're going to be doing the same on the other side at some point soon. But for now, that is that. Another issue completed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.